granted that fateful night when Voldemort forces rebounded, leaving us scarred but alive. That moment, I realized that I was special, and I embraced it. Living life with the Dursley, I felt like an outsider. With my Aunt Petunia and my Uncle Vernon, they treated me like an outsider, and they treated me like it wasn't belonging to me. But then everything changed when I received this letter to the Hogwarts. I remember when Hagrid gave it to me. I was so shocked how big he is, and surprised that there are other people who has magic. And that's where I joined him. And we went to Diagon Alley, buy the materials, buy the wine. And this is where I get my first one. As I stepped at Hogwarts, I was shocked and mesmerized by the beauty of the castle. And that's where I met my friend, Ron and Hermione. And as I continued my journey at Hogwarts, I came and as I continued my journey at Hogwarts, I discovered some secrets. I discovered the Philosopher's Stones and discovered the truth about the Chamber of Secrets. And that's where I discovered the first Horcruxes, which is the diary from Tom Riddle's mind. As I studied, I discovered a way to defeat Voldemort. My greatest victory, my friend, and my loyalty have been my guiding light ever since. But greatness comes with responsibility. As my loved one dies, as I fight Voldemort, love, courage are my only hope. My parents, Lily and James Potter, sacrificed for me. I keep wondering what it feels like to have your parents around. I feel the warmth. As the chosen one, I come to realize that my destiny isn't about me. It's all about the people around me. I'll fight for what's right, for my friend and for my family. Again, I'm Hard James Potter, and this is my story.